Hello, this is part 23 of Metroid Other M, and I'm gonna get chased by an avalanche, so I'm gonna focus. Oh, yes. Yes! Thank you! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo. That was hecka close. Like on the first time I beat it, I've died so many times. Gosh. And this next part, we're gonna fight like a boss. I don't know, what are we doing? Oh, wait. And wait, we're gonna. Yeah, wait. Oh yeah, and we have the wave beam. We're gonna go through this door right here, and we're gonna go a little bit farther. That was so close. I want to kill those things so. And like, we're gonna have to like jump up here. Let me shoot. Oh, never mind. Oh yeah, we have to have some of where they freeze so they can stand up on them. Like here, we're gonna have to knock a missile on it. So go up, then we jump up here. This is gonna be a really quick part. Oh, this is gonna be a very quick part. I can tell you that. Oh my gosh. Gosh. No. Okay, really? No, that's ridiculous. I'm trying to get up here. Yes. Yes, I made it. And we blast that to freeze that. So glad I didn't. And then there's two Krytians. Krytians, the ones that jumped on me. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. Oh whoa. Wait, can I go in here? First, I just want to kill this guy. Sucker. Just killed that guy. Is there anything around here? No, there's not. And here's a save station. Yay! Yay! I'm guessing the next part, oh gosh, is the Krytian. Oh boy, 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 boy. So we'll probably see you on part 24 of Metroid Other M. Bye now.